How to hide and unhide photos or videos in your mobile device. So if you want to view hidden or private photos and videos on your device, or if you want to hide the private photos or videos here, you need to typically follow this step. So that's maybe depending on the type of device that you are using. Here are some common methods that you can try. First of all, you have to navigate to your gallery. Once you are on your gallery, you have to navigate to the three dot and go for the setting. Once you are on your setting, you can see the few hidden albums. Just go for that. So if you have hide anything, you can see it here. So you can see the hidden folder or hide folder here. So if you want to move your picture to the hidden folder, just go and long press on that picture. Just go and select that picture here. Go for the three dot, and here you have to just go and select it to your hidden folder. So if you want to make a private album, just go and select the photos that you want to move to your private, and just go for the add to album and go for the private album and go for this OK option, and you have to just go for your setting. Once you are on your setting, here you can see your private album, or you can sign in with your cloud. So with the help of this process, you can easily view hidden or private photos or videos on your device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.